Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Zealsound microphone. Firstly, plug one end of the included USB cable into an available USB port on your computer and connect the other end to the USB port on the Zealsound microphone. Your computer should automatically recognize the microphone as an audio input device. For Windows, go to Settings, System, Sound, under Input, select Zealsound K66. Open your preferred software like Audacity, OBS, Zoom, or GarageBand. In the audio input settings, choose Zealsound K66 as your microphone or input source. Use the gain knob on the microphone to control volume and turn up for quiet environment or soft voices, or turn down if your audio clips are distorted. Your Zealsound K66 is now set up and ready for podcasts, gaming, Zoom meetings, or any other use. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.